Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that we have the internet connection on our phone that is paired with our watch. So as you can see, I am connected to the Wi-Fi network, and also the Bluetooth needs to be enabled. Once you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and also your watch is paired with a phone, open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the app, you will see the health page. Now tap on devices, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. Tap on it to enter the device page, and here scroll down and look for the category or button called AppGallery. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, the reason could be that when you install the HUAWEI Health application for the first time, you were prompted to select a region of service, and you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. And the only thing that could save or rather solve this problem, I think it would be to reinstall the application, select a different region, and once you reinstall the application with a different region, pair your watch with that app again, and that should solve your problem, hopefully. For example, I'm using the United Kingdom and it's working fine for me. And once you see this option, tap on AppGallery. And here we have the list of applications we can install on our watch. Find the app you want to install, for example, maybe voice recorder. Tap on the install button to install it. And once it's done, you will see that install button changed to installed, and it's grayed out, which means that the application is installed. You can check it also if you tap on the manager right here at the top, installation manager, and it will show you the list of applications installed on your watch. And if you go to your watch and wake up the screen on it by pressing the crown button, then press it again to open the menu. You can scroll through the menu, and somewhere on the list of apps you will see the app you just installed, the voice recorder, and you can tap on the icon to open the applications, or rather application, my bad. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.